Hey guys, so today dinner is on me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So tonight me and my grandma's doing like a battle of the dinners. She finished her part. I'm gonna show y'all hers when she's done. Well, when it's done. Right now I have her watching The Little Mermaid, the original one from 1989, because I took her to the movies today and she tells me that she never saw the original one, so I'm a little concerned. Yeah. So tonight I'm gonna be making something that's on TikTok, per usual. It is going to be the salmon rolls, lasagna rolls, or whatever. It looks really good, and I'm a pasta head. Yeah, and don't be judging. I told y'all this is a free, no judgment zone. Like, just not worry about the hair. There we go. Oh, that's my timer. This is everything I'm going to be using besides the heavy cream and the cheese that's in the fridge. Here's my phone for content. Salmon, onion powder, paprika, adobo, garlic, lemon pepper, and pepper, spinach, and then the noodles. Going to start with our noodles. We're going to jump that in there. Like I said, I only want a 6. I don't do measurements, y'all. Do not judge me. I should. My grandma's probably like, girl, you should be. Then I'm gonna shake some salt in there for flavor, and we're gonna bring that to a boil for 8 minutes, y'all. Look at my camera getting foggy. First of all, huge shout out to the girls who be cooking and doing content. I'm losing my mind right now. This is like some high maintenance right here. I put some olive oil in a pot. I put some cold water on my noodles just to hold it down for a while. Because we're gonna cook the salmon really quickly and then make our sauce. Yeah. Now I'm mashing it up because that's how it's supposed to be for the rolls. Wait, real quick, let me show y'all the chicken. Ooh. Chef's kiss. So the chicken's been ready. I just wanted it to like tender out a little more. So I have to try it. I have to. Oh y'all, almost forgot the spinach. Hold on. Take a little sauce. Now the spinach is cooking down. I'm gonna take some sauce, put it in the pan just to like put it on the bottom. So first of all, y'all, this roll thing is the worst. It's sloppy, it's messy, and it looks better when other people are doing it. So TikTok foodie people, y'all got it. It's probably one of the messiest things I've made. I did the salmon. Then I did some sauce. I put the sauce like this. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but roll. Damn it. And it's hot, y'all. See what I'm saying? Ah, in my hands. So y'all, finishing product. About to pop that bad boy into the oven. And I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. You would've dropped that? I would've died, I swear.
Like what? Let's give it a bug.
What did you say?
You said it came out very good.
No, that's not what you say.
Came on fire.
Ah! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Curry on. Yeah. So I'm gonna go finish my dinner. Thank you. Like, subscribe.